Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, we all look for those munching options during the day and eventually reach out to those unhealthy items in our pantry. So, this time I have a super simple recipe for you. It's called kale chips, which is not only nutritious but also very delicious. So, let me show you how this quick recipe could be made, and you can see how crunchy these chips are. So for this recipe, we will roughly tear one bunch of kale. I'm just roughly tearing it with my hands. And you can increase the quantity of kale, but I have found that using one bunch is enough because you need to spread it out in the pan or in the baking sheet. So one bunch is enough, and it will last you probably for two munching sessions. And in case if you don't have kale, then you can also try this recipe with any green leafy vegetable. I would say try it with spinach. I think the result of spinach would also be very delicious. And kale is very high in iron and fiber, so this is a very good munching option if you are on your weight loss journey or if you're trying to increase iron in your diet. So yes, if you don't have kale, then reach out for those other green leafy vegetables and just tear it with your hands, and then we are going to add some condiments on top of this. So once you have teared all the kale, we will then give it a good bath in water, or you can also wash your kale beforehand before tearing. I would actually recommend washing your kale beforehand because sometimes there is some dust particles and hard to clean stuff in kale that you won't be able to clean it this way, which I found out later. So please give your kale a good bath beforehand and then tear it. And then we are now going to add generous amount of olive oil. And kale is actually a little sour in taste, so I will not go too easy on salt, and just add little salt and then black pepper. And then I'm going to grate some Parmesan Reggiano cheese on top of this, and you can increase the quantity of Parmesan cheese as per your liking. We personally like Parmesan cheese a lot, so I have grated a lot of Parmesan cheese here, and then I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top of this, and then I'm going to give it a very good massage with my hands. And by gently massaging it with our hands, we are evenly able to coat everything on the kale, which actually tastes much better than mixing it with a spoon. And while you're doing this, preheat your oven on convection setting for 400 Fahrenheit, and then we are going to spread out the kale on a baking sheet, and make sure to spread this very evenly and each piece of kale is well spread out. So for this recipe you can also use an air fryer. I have also done that multiple times in the past, but since the quantity of kale was large here in this recipe, I'm using my regular oven. But if you want to use an air fryer, so just reduce the quantity of kale and just use the same settings. And now I will let it sit in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. And after 10 minutes, I will just give it a little flip so that the other side is also evenly cooked. And then your kale will be ready. So this recipe has become our family's personal favorite, and I personally like this kale salad or kale chips with some roasted sweet potato on side, and I will probably share a recipe of that also pretty soon. So here you can see that I'm just taking out the kale after 10 minutes, and I will just slightly flip it and let it roast for another 5 minutes. So as you can see, there's still little moisture here, and after flipping you can when you will take it out next time, you will see that these are very nicely roasted and crunchy. So So after flipping the kale chips, keep an eye on them and just take it out after approximately 3 to 5 minutes, and then your kale chips will be ready. And as you can see here, these chips are very crispy and very yummy, and it will taste really nice with any kind of ranch or dip, or you can even eat some sweet potatoes or other kind of salads on side of this kale chip. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's simple recipe, and let me know in the comment section below how you like today's recipe and what you would like to see next. So do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. And if you're new here, or if you have not already subscribed, so please subscribe to my channel so that you can see more such healthy recipes. So until next time, bye bye and take care.